The SI barrel panels are precision milled before the liquid hydrogen domes are stamped. Finally, the cylinder section.
From the precise drilling of the injector plate to the critical balancing of the turbopump, every component of the F1 required meticulous care.
Here we see the massive instrument unit ring. Through rigorous guidance tests and optical alignment, we ensure mission success.
Bring her down slowly now, watch the alignment.
Hold steady on the east tagline.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff.
Alignment holding steady at sea.
Confirmed. Let's check the stacker next.
Electronics-grade silicon, crystal growth for guidance computers and avionics.
Precision is paramount in aerospace. Every measurement, every filter, every tool ensures our rockets reach for the stars.
Watch your hands there. All clear.
Intertank frame, Station 3, now undergoing precision circumferential machining.
First, the parts are thoroughly degreased and rinsed in our dedicated finishing bay to remove any contaminants.
Careful with that, the exposure needs to be precise.
All right, X-ray source is aligned and ready.
Let's check these results against the acceptance criteria.
Step 1 complete, pressure holding steady.
Good. Let's proceed to step 2.
We're checking every single orifice, making sure it meets the exact specifications. This injector has to be perfect.
Make sure those guide pins are perfectly aligned.
Got it. Starting the torque sequence now, star pattern.
The dynamic balancing machine ensures vibration-free operation of the turbopump.
Critical alignment ensures each section of the massive F1 thrust chamber fits perfectly. Technicians meticulously install formed metal liners.
Careful with that seal, make sure it's seated properly.
Got it. Pressure holding steady on the gauge.
Instrument unit ring machining. The guidance brain structure.
All right, telemetry lock confirmed. Guidance system nominal. Bring power bus online for diagnostic sequence.
Telemetry and antenna hardware fit. External interfaces on the IU.
Transcription. Okay, check the clearance on clamp band section 7.
Reading point 005. Within tolerance.
Ensuring every rivet meets aerospace standards. Structural integrity is paramount for interstage assembly.
Crane coming down slowly.
Crane operator, easy down. Hold it there. Torque crew, begin sequence. Witness mark applied.
Careful now, easy does it. Align it with the pins.
Installing the 4 outer F1 engines. Symmetrical placement and precise clearances.
Make sure it's aligned with the witness line.
Roger, checking torque. No sharp bends.
Intertank lower structures fit. Ring frames and access doors installed.
Mate check. Gap/pin/connector orient. Stage interface twide. Orientation critical.
Okay, take it up slowly. Watch your clearances.
Stacking pin and gauge, clamp band, umbilicals.
Down slow.
Sequence checks complete. Torque to spec.
Witness marks applied.
S2 engine install flying. Center J2.
Telemetry and sensor data are critical for monitoring engine performance and ensuring mission success. Slings are good. Pins are secure. Taglines are clear.
Easy now, easy. Hold it there. Coming down, watch your fingers. Okay, aligning the key.
Alignment pins engaged. Confirm orientation arrow.
Arrow confirmed. Mating surfaces look clean.
Ensure all panel edges are perfectly sealed.
Checking thermal integrity now.
Okay, bring her down, easy now. Check clearance on port side.
DSM mate. Pin engage. Connectors. Seal check.
Go! Down slow.
Make sure that transducer is calibrated correctly.
Already checked, all green. This old bird's ready to sing.
Technicians, please confirm chill down sequence is nominal.
Chill down sequence confirmed. All channels green.
Gauge is steady, leveling sequence complete. Roger that. All clear on the manifold. All right, panel's clean. Final check's complete. Looks good to go. Easy now, easy. Hold it there. Coming up slow, 1 foot to contact.
Okay, cameras are rolling.
All systems nominal. Ignition sequence initiated.
We have ignition.
Check the seams on level 3.
Looks good from here. Pad closeout complete.
Confirming LOX loading sequence is nominal. All pressures green.
Right, proceed with LH2 chill down.
Roger, initiating chill down sequence. Temperature is dropping.
All systems nominal, proceed with countdown.
T-minus 8 minutes and counting.
Roger that, guidance is go.
Mission Control, we have S2 separation. Charlie, you are looking good on the roll.
Roger that. The view is spectacular from up here.
Approaching the drogue, velocity looks good.
Capture confirmed. We show the latches are engaged. Good hard dock. Columbia, you are looking mighty fine.
Roger that, Houston. We have the LM in sight.
We show LM clear of the adapter, drifting aft at 2 feet per second.
Roger. Separation confirmed. The stack is all yours.
Odyssey, Houston. How's the barber pole looking from there?
Looks good, Houston. TLI burn confirmed. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.